Hey there, it's Allison from Dreamweaver Designs Jewelry, and I'm here today with another unboxing from RJCrafts. Ooh, I just love getting these in the mail. Let's go ahead and get started and open this box up very carefully. Got a very sharp razor here, but luckily at RJCrafts, oh, we have Pumpkin. We have Pumpkin who's gonna help unbox. No, maybe not. But RJCrafts always puts this nice paper on top to keep everything from flopping around, and it also stops me from destroying it when I open it. And yes, Pumpkin, he is going to help unbox today's goodies from RJCrafts. Come on, Pumpkin, pull the paper out. Can you get it? Can you get it? Whoop, there's one. Pumpkin. Come on, baby. Here, pull this one now. Get this one. Get it. Look up here, Punky. Punky, look up here. Say hi. Pumpkin, look up here. Say hi, everyone. It's me, Pumpkin. All right, so what do we have first, Pumpkin? Ooh, we have Starburst. Hey, buddy, don't be chewing on my stuff. We have Starburst Minis. Yummy. Thank you, Rhonda. You always send me the best goodies in the mail. Love it. Rhonda has been doing this probably going on, I would say, at least a year, where she's been adding sweets into her packages. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. All right, what do we have? Let's see. First, we have RJCrafts cutter set for coasters. And I cannot wait to use these. I've got so many ideas that I am going to share with you. Everything in this box is something that I am going to use in future tutorials. So I'm definitely, I've got a veneer that I enjoy creating, and I wanted to share the technique with you, and I am going to turn it into coasters. So these are awesome. These are nice and big. Excellent quality as usual. Look at these. I cannot wait to use these. I cannot wait to make some coasters. These will make excellent Christmas gifts. Yes, for everyone in your family and for your friends and your neighbors. So that's the first thing. And actually my next tutorial is going to be using these cutters here. This is the Christmas set cutters. You get snowmen and stockings and presents and a hat. And that comes with, or you, I'm pretty sure you can get it in a set or separately, the Silkscreens. And that's these here. You've got the larger ones that you can make pendants with. Let me flip them over the correct way. These are for if you want to make earrings or charms, smaller pendants, you can do that. And I've got the coordinating cutters for those. And these are the larger ones where you can make a larger pendant, or if you want a big dangly earring, that would be cool too. Or if you want to use it in mixed media projects and scrapbooking and stuff like that, you can. And I've got the cutters for those. That's going to be in my next tutorial. I'm excited to bring that to you. And next we have Hamsa hand. I am really super excited about this cutter. You can also get the Silkscreen with 6 different designs to match with this cutter, coordinate so that you can cut it out perfectly. You don't have to use a knife around it. I love these designs. These designs are gorgeous, and I can't wait to try this out too. and I will have a tutorial on that in the future. Then I've been wanting a 1.5 inch cutter. I have a 1.5 inch in metal, but the thing I don't like about the metal is you always have that seam. Even when you turn the cutter, you still have that seam. What I love about RJCrafts cutters is they are thin at the bottom, and you definitely, they're better. They're way better. You don't have the seam. It's awesome. So I am using this in a current project, and I will probably be sharing that on Facebook with you. Then I also have been wanting to make lentil beads. Lentil beads are not the easiest beads to master, but you can do it. And with the proper tools, you definitely can do it. Rhonda has a tutorial on how to use this lentil roller. And there's also another woman on YouTube, and I can't think of her name. If I can figure it out, it's in another language. If I can figure it out, I'll put it in the description. But she uses something similar to this, and Rhonda came up with this to make your job easier. Pumpkin, what are you doing in the box, buddy? Are you in the box? You are. You like to chew on boxes. So this is a plexiglass. It's made of plexiglass, and I am gonna try it and hopefully have a tutorial, and we can lentil out a kitty cat. Yeah, look at that bullseye on your face, buddy. Come here. Oh, no, don't hit the camera. All right, so we're gonna try that and see what we come up with, and hopefully I'll be spitting out lentil beads like a pro. I'm excited for that. And last but not least, we have cannabis cutters. I know maybe some of you approve, maybe some of you don't approve. I personally gave this up back in my teenage years, way long time ago. But I thought these were really cool, and I really wanted this set. I want to create stuff with it, earrings, necklaces, collages. Look at this crazy kitten. Boop. And I, of course, wanted to get the silkscreen that coordinates with the cutters. And if you stop batting, I could show it. This is the silkscreen. So you can cut that out perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. So I'm excited about that too. And I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this yet, but when I do, I will share it with you. And if it turns out awesome, I will make a tutorial on it. So that's what we got for today, minus the kitty. The kitty was already mine. Didn't get that from RJCrafts. Hey, Pumpkin, you fit in this box perfectly, dude. Look at you. Say goodbye, everyone. Say thanks for joining us. Say thanks for joining us. Punky. Pumpkin. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to bring you some new tutorials in the very near future. And I will list everything here in a link in the description. And Pumpkin and I will see you later. Say bye.